Boxer Vijender Singh has joined the farmers' agitation at Singhu in Haryana-Delhi border. That's the breaking news coming in. He has threatened to return the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award if farm laws are not rolled back. The farmers' protest at Singhu border against central government's farm laws has entered the 11th day today. Remember, in fact, if you remember, singer and actor Daljit Dosanjh had also visited farmers yesterday to show his solidarity, and now Vijender Singh is showing solidarity. He has gone ahead and joined the farmers' agitation. That's the breaking news coming in, threatening to return the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna if farm laws are not rolled back. However, the government is very clear on not rolling back the farm laws. This is a deadlock that is seeing no plausible resolution or end in sight at the moment.
मैंने स्पोर्ट्स में सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड राजीव गांधी खेल अवार्ड जीता है और भैया तो अगर सरकार ये कानून वापस नहीं लेती तो मैं सरकार को अपना जो सबसे बड़ा स्पोर्ट्स का सम्मान है मैं वापस करने की गुजारिश करता हूं।
Mishra is joining us, reporting from the Singhu border in Delhi, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Ashutosh, after you saw the solidarity coming in from Daljit Dosanjh, you've got boxer Vijender Singh standing by the farmers, showing his solidarity and saying that he's going to be returning his Khel Ratna award in case the farm laws are not rolled back. But, you know, the biggest problem here is that the central government does not want to roll back the farm laws.
So, two celebrities, one sportsman, one from the industry, the celeb industry. You have seen them coming out here at Singhu border, extending their support to these farmers in their agitation. But remember, there are many others through social media or various other platforms are also extending their supports, and be the celebrities, sportsmen, veterans, armed forces veterans. So they all are extending their support. Indeed, here at Singhu border, the number of these farmers are rising every day. Even this morning, so far more than 150 farmers and their family members from Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Taran, Amritsar and different parts of Punjab, Sirsa, Haryana. And in fact, if I could show you these posters, there are a group of farmers. They have come from Madhya Pradesh, that's Krantikari Kisan Mazdoor Sangathan. So these farmers have come from Madhya Pradesh. I've also met farmers, those who have come from Maharashtra, and they all are in this fight together. The point one, that there has to be a new life. Government wants to bring a law, let that be MSP, that buying below MSP should be made a crime. That's one thing they farmers are demanding. Other than where the talks are holding up between the government and farmers, that these three laws that have been brought by the government has to be rolled back, and that is not going to be compromised on that particular issue. Until those laws are taken back, they will not go back. They will continue
the government
to be
says that we have never said that MSP will not be granted. So if you could just put this fact into perspective vis-a-vis what the farmers want at this point.
So what these farmers are saying, that the mandis and MSP, those are at least guaranteed in the state of Haryana and Punjab conventionally and traditionally. So what they believe, that if these laws are brought in, there will be a threat to MSP, because the private player play in, there will be no guarantee how they are going to sell it in the market, and if there is no mandi, through the artis, through the middleman, they ensure that MSP is granted at least in these two states. That's the biggest threat they've been having. At the same time, what these farmers are demanding, that if government has to bring a law that ensures MSP whatever decided by the government, that farmers have to sell their products in the mandi or anywhere in the country, that no one should buy those products below the MSP rate decided by the government, and if doing so has to be made criminal offense. These farmers are reaching that if you bring a demand, you want to bring a law that will help the farmers. At the same time, the private, invoking the private players for the contract farming. Several farmers are saying this was brought in Gujarat by a private company, and then the company that refused to buy the product, saying that that was below standard, and then there was agitation and there were FIR against farmers. So clearly on those points, these unions are exactly taking those issues that in future there could be trouble. However, in these meetings, the government is ensuring that these laws are going to benefit the farmers in the longer term. But at the moment, the union, the farmers and many states, those who are now participating in this agitation, are clearly against it. And at the moment, their only demand is to roll it back.
We'll keep coming back to you, Ashutosh, as you get us these ground reports. But the big story right now is Vijender Singh, the boxer, joins the farmers' protest. This is coming in after Daljit Dosanjh has expressed solidarity with the farmers.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.